Hey everybody, it's Cameron with Surfboards.com. We're just still unpacking some more of these new Oakleys and thought I would show you the new Baxter Metals. Let's pop them open. Baxter Metals are going to be a throwback to one of the original Oakley designs, the Razor Blades, which was essentially some ski goggles with wire hangers added to it. But as you can see here, this is what they call their modernized metal trigger stem, but it's another mixed material shade. So you have the O-Matter, super lightweight but durable frames. Then it goes into the modernized metal trigger stem. And then finally, you've got some padded ear socks as well. This is a shield style lens. As you can see, it's one big piece. You can also get replacements for it if you want to change out color combos. It's available in a bunch of different color and lens combinations, and you can find them at Surfboards.com.